Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for February of 2024, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is the IconBox. It is from the Boxycharm side, but Ipsy now owns it. But let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to set it right here and I'm going to pull out one item at a time. So let's see what I actually got. So this is the first item that I got right here. It is by the brand Trophy Skin. I don't know exactly what it is. This was a choice, so I did choose this. It looked interesting and I didn't know what it was. So I said, why not? I do love skincare. I am going to be 38 this year. So, yeah, it's about time that I just continue to do my skincare. I've been doing it since I was in my 20s. So, I have taken good care of my skin. It says it's heat therapy, high power LEDs, microcurrent, sonic vibration, and smart touch sensor. So you're going to open it up this way. See what the packaging, very nice. I do have a lot of like high-end skin devices that I do use on myself already. So it comes with a little user manual. You have your little charger for it. And then this is what the device itself looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the trash because I will be using this. Let me go ahead and plug this in and I'm going to charge it as I'm doing this review and we'll see exactly what it does. So the next thing that is in the box, I forgot to say, it does have this icon little thing. Has Gwen Stefani. I love Gwen Stefani. And it'll just tell you a little bit about the products that you may receive in here. Sometimes it gives you the prices, sometimes it doesn't. It's like just hit or miss, but I never really read those. I just throw in the trash, but it does come with that in case you want it. This is the next thing that's in the box, and this is by Laura Geller, and it is a spackle mist boost with electrolytes. So let me go ahead and open this. I actually needed a mist. I kind of needed one. I do have some, but I just don't use them because I get bored. But that's what this looks like. It looks like it's going to be good. Actually, I already did my makeup, so I did not set it. It's like super staticky and I can't get these things off me. So let's go ahead, shake it up. I like to mist away first. It smells really good. It smells like the Physicians Formula bronzer. That's what it smells like. It kind of has like a coconutty, like kind of just like a vacation smell. So I will definitely be using this. Super nice. Next thing that's in the box is this product right here that actually felt really good on my skin. It kind of made it feel like a little, just kind of like dewy, which I do like. This is by this brand right here, and it is a silky rinse. So this is a face cleanser, which I'm not going to open right now. Like, I'm not going to open it, because I do already have one that I'm using. I have a few. I probably have 4 face cleaners that I'm like switching between right now. So I'm not going to open this one, but look at that packaging. Okay, no, this is for your skin. It looked like a hair applicator because I actually used a hair treatment today that I absolutely love, and it was like kind of the same tube. So that is what that looks like. It says you shake it well and then you apply it. It's not supposed to dry out your face or anything. So I will be using this. I'm just going to leave this in the box because that way I know that I haven't used it yet. I actually need to go through my stuff and give stuff away because I have too much right now. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. I did choose this as well. It's a Lunar Beauty Universal Setting Powder. I do use the Laura Mercier setting powder and I love that stuff. And I was wondering if this is going to kind of be a dupe because it kind of looked like the same packaging. So let's see if it would open. So that's what it looks like. I love the fact that the lid looks like a moon. I thought that was so cute, but it kind of, you see, hold on. It's trying to do like kind of like the same thing. You see? About the same size. The lid's the only thing that's really different. So let me go ahead. I'm going to try it out like right now. Ooh, I like the fact that it did come with a sponge. So I like to just kind of get some of the powder to come out. It has a really nice smell. So I'm a very oily girl. So if I'm not using stuff like this, I get so oily. So it's definitely mattifying my skin. Ooh, that's a lot. Which is okay. So I do like the way that looks. And then when you're done, you see it kind of has these little grooves right here, which is going to keep the powder from leaking out, which I do like that. And then just put it back like that. So I'm actually going out of town, so I will be taking this with me. So that's what that looks like. Next thing that's in the box, I just put that in my makeup bag because I'm going to be taking that with me, is this right here. This is, I can't see what it says. But it is a high performance matte lipstick, and Original Me, or Tragic Me is the shade. It looks like it's going to be a really pretty shade. We'll have to try it out. And it's broken. I don't know what is up. Yeah, it's like broken. I'm always getting like broken stuff. It looks like a really pretty shade, but it's like got bent up from being broken, but it's okay. Let me get a mirror so I can see. Ooh, it looks like it's going to be a really, like your lips, but better. Now you can definitely build up this shade, which I don't want to do because I like the way it looks. Kind of muted. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks kind of more corally, like a more coral color than I was hoping for. But if you just like put a little bit, kind of like just dabbed it on your lips, I think it would be pretty. So that, I can't see, is it no, it looks like it's GXVE. I don't even know how to, I'm not even going to try to say that. Let's just put it that way. Next thing that's in the box is this right here, and it is a mascara by Kat Von D, and it's full sleeve. I'm not going to open this either right now because I have quite a few mascaras. I only wear mascara on the bottom lashes because I do these lash extensions, so I don't need mascara. Or sometimes if I get makeup on my lash extensions, like foundation, because I have these on for weeks, instead of like just go washing my lashes, I'll just put a little mascara and then wash it later. So I will be using this, just not now. So I'm going to put this in my little stash of extra mascaras that I have. So the next thing in the box is this thing right here. It looks like it's a serum, which I'm not going to open either because I'm using a lot of serums right now too. It feels like empty. Let me check this out. I have to just... Yeah, it's not like all the way full, but it's like one of the ones where you press this down, open it, and then you would just, let me just squirt a little bit and see kind of the texture. This packaging is really cheap feeling, to be honest. Kind of feels cheap. I do like the little push thing. So it's just like a super like watery type serum. It just kind of melts right into your skin. It doesn't really have a scent or anything, which is good. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll try this out eventually. Okay, so it looks like I have one more thing, whoop, which is this right here. And this is, what is this? Let's see, I can't tell. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's a perfume. That is itty bitty. So it is Maison Louise Marie, number 13. And it is a roll-on. So let me see. It smells really good. It smells really clean. So that's how I would describe it. It's just like very light and clean. I'm going to put some, I like to put it like right here. Like right here. Just so that when you're moving, you can kind of smell it behind the ears. So it smells really good. Just kind of clean. So it is an oil, so it's going to be very long lasting. A little bit will go a really long way with this. So it's not bad that it is this size. It is 0.50 fluid ounces. So little guy, but definitely will pack a really long lasting scent, which is great. It doesn't really smell like a perfume. Like, it's not giving like a super strong scent. It just smells like very fresh and clean, like you just got out of the shower. But it's nice. I like it. I forgot that I got that other one last time, and I love this stuff. The Pillow Talk. This is from my, I think, last month's. I love this one. Like, even my husband likes it, and he's picky. And it's a roll-on too. Yeah. So I like this one a lot more, but they're both not bad. They're both great for like travel. So you don't have to take like a big perfume bottle. This is great. And the packaging is just so cute. But yeah, that's everything that's in the box. Let me go ahead and see how much my variation was, because I did snap a picture of that. So the total value of this month's box, the variation that I received, was $538, which is absolutely amazing. I think I spent around like $60, so not bad at all. I will be using everything that I received in this box. Like, it was a really good box. It was the Luxe box. It's like a little more expensive, but the price that you're getting and the quality of stuff, it's 100% worth it. Okay, so this is actually later on in the day. I forgot to actually show you this. It was charging. It's fully charged. So all you do is, like, when you push it, it like vibrates. It has that red light therapy. You can see right there. It's going to heat up your skin, and then the vibrations, and it throws like that, what do you call that? It helps with anti-aging, the red light therapy and everything, the vibrations. You can use it just like go across your skin. I'm not going to use it right now because I do have makeup on, but that's pretty much all you do. You can do it on your hands. Like, it doesn't have to be on your face. It has to get good touch though. And you see. So that's all it does. It vibrates and has that red light therapy. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.